In today's video, we're looking at the healing benefit that is hidden in jute leaves. This jute leaves is commonly regarded as Ewedu in Yoruba language. Jute leaves is loaded with so many minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants such as polyphenolic compound and flavonoids. All these correlate to its healing benefits. Top of the list is improved vision. When you consume this leaf regularly, you will not be victim of macular degeneration, which occurs as an individual ages. That is, having eye problem because of age. Besides, if you have eye problem already, consuming this Ewedu will help improve your vision because Ewedu contains a high level of vitamin A and beta-carotenoid, which is very useful for sight, beside other vitamins. So make sure you consume this Ewedu regularly. For fertility, make Ewedu part of your daily diet. Ewedu contains folate, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and other vitamins, even calcium, which is very useful for conception. So Ewedu is useful before conception, during pregnancy, and after pregnancy. So you can never get it wrong with Ewedu. It also helps to prevent miscarriage. So make sure you consume Ewedu to enhance your chances of conception, preserve your pregnancy, and help you in delivery. There's a saying that Ewedu can help you for easy delivery. There's no scientific backup to that. But when you consume Ewedu, you're going to have a healthy child, and your child will not be overweight because the fiber is going to help to make sure your child maintains an ideal weight while in the womb. So it's going to help your delivery to be easy, not that Ewedu induces labor. It's very useful for people that have problem falling asleep. Ewedu contains magnesium, and this magnesium, when assimilated, is going to help to release hormones that will help to calm your nerves and improve your sleeping patterns. So if you have problem of insomnia, try consuming jute leaves regularly, especially at night. This jute leaves has high level of calcium and phosphorus, which is very useful for your bone density. It also prevents you from being victim of osteoporosis. And if you're already a victim of osteoporosis, consuming Ewedu leaf will help you get enough calcium that will reverse the process of osteoporosis. Besides calcium and phosphorus, this Ewedu also contains magnesium, which helps in absorption of calcium. So that's why you have to consume these jute leaves. Jute leaves is loaded with so many antioxidants, high level of vitamin E, vitamin A and vitamin C, as well as flavonoid and polyphenolic compounds. This is going to help you to boost your immunity. When your immune system is strong, you will not be a victim of degenerative diseases such as cancer, blood pressure, diabetes, inflammation, and heart diseases. So that's why consuming this is just like one stop for your health and vitality. So make this to be part of your diet. Jute leaves is very useful for those having weight problem because of its high fiber content. So it's going to help you to prevent you from being a victim of constipation. It's going to help to free your bowel, thereby helping you to maintain an ideal weight. It's also useful for skin health. For those suffering from acne, consuming this Ewedu is going to help to release that vitamin A, which will help to control the secretion of excess sebum, helping you to manage acne. Besides that, vitamin C will also help in collagen production. So consuming jute leaves is going to help you to have a flawless skin and ageless skin. Of these leaves cannot be exhausted. Make sure you don't miss out by making this leaf to be part of your daily diet. How do I consume these jute leaves? If you don't like using broom like the typical Yoruba culture demands, you can go ahead and blend. You'll still get the consistency that the broom is going to give. You can also add this Ewedu as your smoothie. Just wash and sterilize with salt or vinegar, then blend and add to your smoothie. You can also blend it and add ginger, garlic, pinch of salt, and drink. But for people that want conception, but they don't want to eat it as soup, get your ewedu leaf, wash very well, parboil. When you're done parboiling, bring down, allow to cool, blend with the water and drink. You can add a pinch of pepper and salt and drink it. Drinking it regularly is going to enhance your conception. And then during pregnancy, you can just eat it as normal food and you will get all the healing benefits loaded in ewedu. Till I see you in the next video, you understand that God has given us everything we need. When you consume this natural, you don't need supplements. Ewedu leaf is just like a one-stop for all the nutrients you need for your well-being. So maximize these healing benefits so that together we can recover the missing link in our health. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that as soon as new videos are dropped, you'll be alerted. Don't forget that you are in charge of your health.